What's the meaning of antibacterial? Antibacterial. 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 Antibacterial.
Antibacterial refers to a substance or agent that is capable of killing or inhibiting the growth of bacteria. The result of using antibacterial products is the reduction or elimination of harmful bacteria on surfaces, skin, or other areas where they may cause infection or illness. Antibacterial products can help prevent the spread of infectious diseases, reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses, and even be used in medical settings to prevent infections during surgeries or other procedures. However, excessive use of antibacterial products can lead to the development of resistant bacteria, making it important to use them judiciously.